what are the three ways to solve a system of a linear equation? There's graphing, there's substitution, and there's elimination. Graphing may seem to be the easiest, but it doesn't always work so well. Maybe the y-intercept is at a number like 32, or maybe the place where they intersect is a fraction, so it's not always a great way to do it. And then using substitution is another way that we can do it, but my favorite way happens to be the elimination. And sometimes they are a little bit more difficult. But if you have your equations in the ax plus by equals c form, the standard form of an equation, the elimination is often set up pretty easily to work here. I have these also in 8th grade, but they were very, very simple in 8th grade. I'm hoping that some of these will be a little bit more difficult. What you want to look at is your columns and make sure your x's and y's and your constants are lined up. And then look for any opposites, because we need to eliminate either the x's or the y's so we can solve. We can't solve if there's two variables in a problem. We have to get it down to just one variable. And you'll notice that I've got a positive 2y and a negative 2y. So that's the ones I'm going to eliminate. So treat them like columns. These are eliminated. And then combine your other two columns. 3x plus 3x is 6x. Equals 4 minus 4 is 0. And then solve for x. So we divide by 6 and we get x equals 0. So we've got half of our answer. Now I'm going to plug this 0 into either equation, whichever one looks the easiest will work, and find my y. So 3, I'm going to use the top one, 3 times 0, so I'll put that 0 right there, plus 2y equals 4. 3 times 0 is 0, so I don't even have to write that down. I have 2y equals 4, so I'm going to divide by 2. So y equals 2. So I have the second part of the answer. So the answer, the solution is 0, 2. These two lines will intersect at 0, 2 if they were to be graphed. You can always plug these back into the equations to make sure that you get the same answers, or that the left side equals the right side.